There's leadership, there's planning, there's communication, there's research, there's design, and then I believe that optimism is a skill, flat out. Like, I think it's important to be able to look at the bright side of things. We're gonna break up into groups, and we're gonna have a couple of creative challenges, and we're gonna really see, how strong your creative muscle is. All right? You guys have heard about the grand challenges of engineering? All right? What they really are just grand opportunities or problems. Something the video said is that you want to find a problem, you want to be able to see things that haven't been seen yet, and use what you can see to help solve these problems. You're going to learn quite a bit of imitating while you're in college. You're going to look at a solution and you're going to basically do your own steps or your own version of that same solution. But really, in order for you to be successful out in the field, you have to develop a way that you can make, invent, and produce, see things, as the video said, that others don't see, rather than just imitating. If you want to be the top 1% of your field, if you really want to knock it out of the park, I encourage you to develop creativity so that you can do something other than imitating. And it is characterized by what? Originality and imagination. Because you're going to bump your head and run into a lot of roadblocks. Picture something in your head that may be complex and put it into form right away. So if you got optimism, that skill can help you get through. Make sense? You're not here just to get a job. I know you may have heard that a lot, right? You heard yo, you go to college, get a job. No, ultimately, you don't want to get a job. Don't come here just to get a job. What you want is a set of skills so that you can solve a grand challenge or a problem. You understand what I'm saying?